From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, after hitting 90 degrees for the first time this spring on Saturday, Sunday was a little bit not quite as warm, we'll say. Today, back into the upper 80s, at least 88 the high today, and more warmth in the future. Mixture of clouds, a little sun out there, and that's what we have on our drone shot for today as we take a look outside of Lafayette and pan around. We have a mixture of some of those high clouds mixed with some just cumulus fractus clouds during the course of this afternoon, but this is going to be the story, layered clouds over the next couple of days. And it was breezy today. We saw gusts up to about 25 to 28, 29. We'll probably see gusts approaching 30 to 35 tomorrow during the day, maybe into the evening hours as well, but not a bad day. And notice the green across Acadiana, really greening up out there, but pollen and mold still on the high category. We'll touch base on that coming up at 6 o'clock. So as we look at the big picture, water vapor imagery, here comes the next big nation's weather maker. It's going to be a snowstorm maker and a severe weather maker for the nation's midsection. Meanwhile, we're in between with a ridge of high pressure down across the Gulf of Mexico and a pretty active subtropical jet stream. This is providing the high clouds, and we'll see more of this in the days to come, especially as this low moves through the nation's midsection. So here's the big picture with showers and some storms across the southeast. The threat of severe weather earlier, but that's done with some showers to the north. Big snows and wind developing from the Sierra Nevada through the Intermountain West, and eventually this is going to be rolling out up across the high upper plains where blizzard warnings are in effect, or winter storm warnings as well. You can see that through much of the Rockies, and then you get to the southwest, it's high wind warnings and wind advisories. So this is going to be another whopper of a storm system, and on top of that, the threat of severe weather, and this is why we're going to be breezy tomorrow going into tomorrow night. Severe weather outbreak again, a large area of concern of anywhere between an enhanced and moderate risk of severe storms. In one of these areas, we could even see it go to a high risk briefly for small pockets, but nonetheless, Arkansas going to get it again, and farther to the north. And it looks like most of this action late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. You never want to see these severe weather events at night, but this one's going to be another nighttime one. Meanwhile, for us, plenty of clouds, those high clouds and breezy southerly winds, and we'll see that continuing overnight tonight. So our temperatures stay elevated, no better than the low to mid 70s. I would favor 74, 75 for a low with mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, again, intervals of sunshine as we get into the afternoon, mid to upper 80s. That feels like temperature pushing into the lower 90s as that humidity is going to be up, and more of the same tomorrow night, mild and humid. But as we head toward Wednesday, here comes a front, and that's going to spark off some showers, maybe some thunderstorms, perhaps a marginal risk of an isolated severe storm. But what happens, this front becomes nearly stationary, and north of the front, we're going to see impulses coming in. So the threat of heavy rainfall developing as we head into Wednesday night, Thursday, mainly northwest of the area. So this is the Euro model, and look what happens toward Friday. The threat of not only heavy but maybe flooding rainfall somewhere southeast Texas through central Louisiana, with pretty high rain chances going at least through early Saturday. Hopefully, fingers crossed, Easter Sunday will be better, but we can't guarantee mostly sunny skies. But right now we're going for partly cloudy conditions. Here's the rainfall accumulations into the weekend, and you can see this is over a 5 to 6 day period. Some very heavy rainfall possible, 3 to 6 inches or more up through central Louisiana. Acadiana looks like it's going to be in the 1 to 3 inch range, but we'll have a better feel for that as the week wears on. On top of that, we're going to see the winds gusting into the 30 to 35 mile per hour range as we head into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So temperatures stay planted mostly in the mid 70s overnight tonight, back into the mid to upper 80s for tomorrow. So overnight tonight, we'll go 73 the lowest. It'll probably be closer to 74 or 75 with plenty of clouds moving in as the night wears on. Tomorrow, kind of another spring day, but those winds picking up during the course of the afternoon. We'll go 86 the high with those gusts into the 30 to 35 mile per hour range. So make sure you secure the trash cans once again. So warm and humid next couple of days. Look at those lows in the mid 70s, and then rain chances perking up as we get into the latter part of the week, at least 80% for Friday, Saturday, and one of those days it's going to go to 100% for sure. And hopefully by Easter Sunday the weather improves, but no promises there. But it looks to change, and we do need some rainfall, and we're going to get it later this week.
All right, thanks, Rob.